Alright guys, I'll show you some tips on the Corbin seat for the Kawasaki Vaquero. First thing I do is I remove that plate right there, remove those two bolts, and put washers on the back side in between the plate and the seat pan. That pushes these pins out farther and helps it click in to the mechanism easier. Second thing is when you're putting the seat on, you really have to bend it forward so it clicks in. It's pretty easy when you get the hang of it, but it does take some getting used to. So you want to have it right there in that position. You see it's still in the air. You want to press down right in the middle of it. Bend it up. See how bent it is and pressed in. And back clicks in like that. Super easy when you get the hang of it. It's even easier when you have two hands. No gap, no issues. No gap in the back because of the washers. Super easy once you get the hang of it. Thanks.